Okay, I'm gonna show you how to download, no, how to basically get stuff. Hold up, bro. Hold up. No. First, you want to type in Subway. Wait. Subway Surfers. Just type in games. Are you good? Okay, right. Type in Subway Surf. Download the app. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so we're back. It's installed now. So as you have to have the app. Now what you want to do, you want to go to Chrome. You want to type in LU box. Okay, so then you will see this. You will see this. You want to click this first thing. Wait. Okay, click the first thing. Follow my steps and you get it right. Now push download. Now it's gonna be like, you're gonna push download right here. You're gonna go right here. You're gonna push this download right here. Push that. Do you wanna? Okay, now it's installing. Open. Now you want to push open. It will take you. Okay. Oh, now it's gonna say. Now you want to download it. So. Come on. Okay, funny. Bro. Now you want to push done. So good. Lucky. Sometimes it might not work for you because you got to feel space. Work for me. So what you want to do now, since you have this download, I show you. So bye. And then you already, hold up. You gotta already start an account for it. So like you gotta go in here. My phone about to go there too, bro. No. So when you get to this, if you already downloaded and you delete it, do not click on any of these ones. Do not click on any of these ones or it will not work. So what you want to do, you want to click, this right here to go back. You want to click this. Because I don't want y'all to mess up, bro. Click this. Okay, then you should go. Because like if you would have clicked it, it would have yes. You how to get some skins, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to do something, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to get a little G with it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna help you out. That's it, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm turning down this volume, bro. So what you wanna do, just make an account for me, for the obvious, so for you can do it so I can at least think you're a grown up. Cause if you was born by 2019, this is for 19, so I think you're grown up. And you wanna press this. Allowed, blah blah blah. Then you gotta do let's do this, bro. Oh, this is the new thing. Are you serious? Come on, bro. Turn. It's gonna tell you do this, do this, do this. Okay, I know. We all did it before. Do this, blah blah blah. Let me get this keyboard. I just want to kill myself real quick. Kill myself. It doesn't really. I don't really care, cause this is when the fun part comes in. Come on. My new high score, 461. Trash. I know. Can I get off now? We're gonna go to right here, bro. Oh, bro. That's right here, bro. We're gonna push out loud. Okay, then these are the games you could pick so you could hack. And right, so I picked this one for like a server serve. You wanna hack server? If I was you, so you want for server serve. See the 1,000 coins and stuff, bro. Allow it, bro. Now watch this, son. Watch this. You see how you saw how 100 or 164. So guys, you will see this right here. The money says you leaving, blah blah blah. You have all this. When you see this, you know it's working. And then it's probably gonna tell you to redo the thing. So wait. Bitch, I'm a hacker. Bitch, I'm a cop. Fuck that. Oh my god, that bitch a cop. I'm talking like a phone. What's up, my nigga? Yeah, bro. What am I doing? So, finally, bro. So do the same thing, blah blah blah. You ain't gotta do anything, bro. Push allowed. Just play. You can't never die. But I'ma just see, look, cause look, you just can't die. Look, I'ma hit myself. I'ma just spawn. Watch this. I'ma do this. It's not gonna hurt me. See, wait. Let me kill myself. Let me just kill myself. I don't care really. I can't die. It won't let me die. Kill me. Kill me. Take me. No. Kill me. I'm trying to die on purpose so I can show you how much I get. Eventually kill me, bro. Yes, okay. Now look how much money do we have. Look at this. I did a video 2 months or a month ago on this. You could check it out. Stuff. So you probably like, ooh, look at this. See, look all the free stuff. Now we can get every single last one of these people right here. Now, like, that look ugly, you know, but like, I guess this look pretty dope. You can get this. Hold up. But if you want to get more, I bought this before on my last video. That thing's trash. I don't know why I bought it though. So all the skins you wanted. This is pretty cool. That's cool. So all the skins you wanted for me, don't worry if you run out, cause it's every day. When you run out every day, it's gonna respawn keys the next day. So like, don't worry about it at all. It's for me to get more of the hold up, and it works too. But like, wait, I'm trying to look at everything. What's new? Yeah, that's dope. Can I hold up? If I buy this, that. It's like something, okay. Sorry, have it. Got something. What was that? Oh. Okay, now you probably like, you're lying. Okay, buy something. Okay, I'm gonna try to buy this guy right here. This guy right here. I have him. How much would I bet? If I go to no, it's gonna say I need more keys. I guess. Bro. No, you probably like, bro, you can't do it again. Bet. So I'm gonna do that. Go off of here. Then I'm gonna just go on here. It's something. Hold on, what's that? No, I don't need this really. Ooh. Hold up. I'm trying to figure out something, guys. What I did in my last video to get more keys. It's what was that? Did I took it off? Did they really took it off, bro? Are you serious? Did they really just took it off, bro? Why though, bro? This is dumb. Hold up. See? Oh, okay, I know what I'm at. If I keep, guys, if you want more keys, this is how you do it. So what I would do is, I buy more treasure pot, more treasure. Hold on, what's the treasure box? Yeah, I get more of these. It's so fun. Open the box. Okay. Wait, it doesn't work no more? Hold on. No, wait, bro, this is dumb. Hold up. Wait, this is not going as planned. This is not going as planned. That's dumb. I don't really need it, but so that's how you get it. Spin it wisely, I guess. Spend it wisely, and don't get scared, because every day you're gonna get more money. On here. I have like basically everything I need. But let me go to the one I bought. What's the one I bought? Is it this one? No. Yeah, this one. Yep, it was this one. I'm not sure about that really, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna try this. What? I'm using this? Are you serious? But I can't die. So like if I do this, you see I'm not dying. You see how dope that is, bro? Okay. Ooh. Yes. So like, comment, and see y'all all next time.